G'day all, welcome back to Frostbite's G.I. Joe Repro. Thanks very much for watching this video. I'm just here with a few mail calls, Star Wars vintage mail calls. I got these the other day. I was pretty excited to open them, but I've waited to open them just for you. So yeah, let's crack in. So I've got two pieces here. Both from eBay. We'll crack into this one first. I was a little bit worried about this one. It's in a box inside of the satchel. That's okay, I suppose. This was not a cheap figure, so just a little bit worried, but sure, it's fine. So, box inside of there, and why not? Let's crack it open. So I was missing this figure. It's not something I've really got. Very excited to add it to the collection. Not an easy one to get, and I've been waiting to just find the right deal, and this popped up and it was the right deal. So it come with a coin. You just tape that sucker up good and be real careful slicing it to open it. With my coins, I store them in coin protectors or coin cases. They're available from Brendan Ferris's display business. Just message me if you need the details for it. He ships worldwide as far as I know. And he's got the best stuff here in Australia, so yeah. Okay, so Luke Skywalker. So you can see him on a biker scout bike. So that gives you a pretty good idea of what this figure is. And there we go. Endor Luke. Last 17 figure. Not cheap at all. Very excited to add him to the collection. He came with his belt and his smock and the coin. So I was really happy with the price I paid. Wasn't an absolute cracker of a bargain, but just getting him like this was good. Missing his blaster, but that's okay. Was happy to get the coin and his belt and some semblance of a smock. So yeah, that'll be going straight into the cabinet and it'll be staring at me each night. Very happy with that. So that's number one. Number two comes in this box. Let's crack it open from the bottom. If you're not subbed to my account, please hit the sub button. Really, it's a great motivator for getting you the best content that I can. This guy has done some great packaging. Really happy with that. Can't go wrong with the packing peanuts. I'll see why when I get the object out. Great job, bro. Already hear it jingling around. It's great. So I picked myself up an AT driver graded. It's AFA grade 80. Let's get it out of this so you can get a better look. Usually don't take them out of these bags, but whatevs. Yeah, look at that. That is beautiful. If you listen to our lives, you'll know I've got quite the liking for acrylic case toys, and guys I do at the cast with know that and love telling me about it. But when I look at things like this, I just can't help myself. It's just beautiful. Let's see if we can get you a look at that. 1980 Kenner Star Wars loose action Hong Kong AT-AT driver red logo. Just super happy with that. So there you go. 2 mail calls today. Both really good. Both are going to display really well in my collection, and super happy to have both. If you've enjoyed the video today, please hit that like button. It's good to know people like the content that I'm making. If you want something reviewed, opened, talked about, just chuck it into the comments, let me know. If you have any questions about this, let me know in the comments of this video. Apart from that, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye bye.